presenting the first video before you today is a very useful product in everyone's kitchen. We all know the importance of knives in the kitchen. When you're busy preparing a meal, don't you think a low sharp knife is just a waste of our time? So what will you do? Look for some way to sharpen a knife, right? So it is very good to have such a product in a kitchen. So this is the product we are going to show today. This is a product to sharpen knives as well as other useful household appliances. We offer it at affordable prices for everyone. It has a lifetime warranty, which means it will be free of cost for repair in case of any problems. Just let us know what the problem is. Let's unbox it and get acquainted with this knife sharpener and its parts. Now we will see how to use it. This is Knife Sharpener. We operate it with the standard mixer grinder in our home. Let viewers see how. This is the rotating wheel. This itself is the sharpening wheel. This is the wheel nut. Now we will see how to attach it in the mixer grinder and how to sharpen the knife. First, tighten the nut. This is to prevent the wheel from getting loose. Now let us attach this to the mixer grinder. Attach this one as usual. Then rotate the clockwise direction. This will then lock as usual in the mixer grinder. Now pull it up and make sure it is locked. Now we are going to turn on the mixer grinder. To do that, we first plug the power cable. Before turning on the switch, we must make sure that the spinning wheel of the knife sharpener from the mixer grinder is so far away from the body. Now turn the control knob of the mixer grinder to the left and run for a second in pulse mode. This is done with your mixer grinder to see if the knife sharpener is compatible. Once all is well, you can start sharpening. Grab the knife to sharpen. Now let's turn this knife about 22 degrees and touch the edge of the sharpener wheel. Let's see how. So do the second side. have to be very careful when doing this. You have to be careful not to let the rotating wheel hit your body. Turn off the mixer grinder after sharpening. Now look how sharp our knife is. How easy, isn't it? Don't you think this very useful knife sharpener is a must-have in every kitchen? If it's in your kitchen, you won't have to waste time working with a low-sharp knife. Now let us see how to change the spinning wheel. This should only be changed after some time. Loosen this nut for it. After replacing the wheel with the new one, put the washer in place and tighten the nut back. Then this is the knife sharpener that is useful for everyone. If everyone likes it and you think this might be a helper in your kitchen, we'll stock it for you to buy. The price will definitely be affordable for everyone. You can find out the price at the end of this video. This is the YouTube Store channel's smartphone app. Search on Google Play Store and you will get the app with the red icon. After downloading and installing, open the app and select your language. Then on the order page, first select the product you plan to buy and fill it out. Select and fill in the product code. Check the title of the video of that particular product on YouTube to get the code. For example, our first product code is P0001. So after selecting the code, fill in your name, address and phone number. The prices and postage fees can be found below. When you finally tap on the order button, we get your order. We will send it to you within a day. Only pay for the product after you have it in your hand. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch videos of new products and purchase them.
Now I am going to tell you the price. It is priced at ₹69 only. When you select the product in the smartphone app and start order placement, you can see the shipping charges along with it. You only pay when the order is in your hands. Now we come back with another useful product video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.